This is the steamer by Hair You Wear, which I love. Not only the size and the design, but also the way that it's made just to work with wigs. So unlike a traditional steamer that, acts similarly, this actually has a spout that you can use with the round brush and really control and direct how the steam is going to be applied to the fiber. So as you can see in the images, you're just gonna take a small section of hair, use a metal round brush, and using the steamer, you wanna position it at a straight angle and just lightly press about 3 times over the hair. What this does is it smooths out the fiber and really makes it look and feel much more manageable. The Hair You Wear steamer is now available at thewigcompany.com, so be sure to order one, and if you have any questions, just reach out to me directly at The Hair You Love, or you can email askchristina@thewigcompany.com.